Futures trading involves a substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors. Therefore, carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your financial condition.
Copper pulling back here, the overnight session down about 9 cents here. Looking at the September contract, sitting right at about 650. Now you look at the laggards here. Well, gold down 2.2%, silver down 3.8%, Bitcoin down 15%. So you look at the trend raking here, and it's something that I put in the precious metals chart pack. It's copper, then the gold market, silver, and platinum. Platinum coming down to an area here where there's a lot of buying interest in those low 1800s before getting that squeeze back up here yesterday. So today's question here, does silver hold this $1.50 bounce off those overnight flows right at 71.44? Future sitting at about 72.90 as of this recording. Now we're going to have a number of things on the docket here, but it's really the non-farm payrolls. The estimates are for 88,000. The prior was 115. You really don't want to see a very strong number out there because it could keep that Fed hawkish here, and then it could put a little bit of pressure on the metals here. It could be a little bit of a lift on that dollar index and also those 10-year treasury yields. We will have the unemployment rate. The expectations are for 4.3%. Now we are coming into the Fed's external communications blackout period starting on Saturday. The ETF flows here. Well, gold, they did cut the holdings here for the 5th straight day. The exchange traded funds, they cut about 93,000 troy ounces. Silver, they cut about 110,000 troy ounces. And you look at the year-to-date percentage change, it's down 8.6%. I read a lot of notes here recently about some of the analysts' outlook. Most of the analysts here have the 12-month outlook significantly higher, like gold north of 5,000, silver north of $90. But you really want to see that investor participation here. You really want to see this conflict conclude and things move past here, and then some of those expectations for the interest rate hikes starting to come back down. So you get much of that priced in, and then you're going to get the reaction after the number comes out. That's where we get some volatility. So hopefully, and hope's not a strategy, a little bit weaker number here to help support some of these markets here. So we'll see what today brings here. Register for the navigating of the week ahead in the description and the link below. I'm going to be sending that out Saturday or Sunday here, and it kind of lays out the framework of what we're looking at here, some of the bigger picture, the cross assets, some of the things to watch here and the key levels going in the week ahead.